They're called Ocotillo. That's what it was. Ocotillo Spring.
Sleep, America, sleep! A place is called Sleep America. Well, Sleep America for free. You'll probably just pay any money to buy anything you want. Sleep at America. Sleep America, sleep! You have all the sleeping stuff right here. You have teddy bears. You have a chicken. A cuddly chicken for free. $0. Absolutely. $0 and 0 cents.
It's called Ocotillo Springs. No.
Where it is?
Ocotillo Springs. So,
Okay, well, there it is.
we'll go right here.
Get
Oh,
Donald for
that way
free.
when you don't see any cars.
$200, but
Maybe we should check out this one too.
No,
Mirrors
sorry.
and
so get $200 and you get
luxury
$3,000 back because it's a good price.
great. This is exciting.
You should all review the departments and cuckoo clocker dudes for the racing department.
Watch out.
That's what you need to do because
Oh my God! Jeez, people!
What was that?
Crazy people.
Wow.
Going
I
there.
almost hit that lady, too. They did that last time to me, too. Right there, too. This
Wow.
guy and he went like,
To you?
uh-huh.
Make sure it's in a parking. They may not have somebody there on a Sunday afternoon. But who knows?
Well, they all said it was Sunday till 5 or something. That's when they probably sell apartments.
Yeah. Imagine.